10th standard, the most crucial, important part, the last part of his schooling life. Kids must have motivated and encouraged themselves, have made strategies how they will work the whole year. But one problem arises: lockdown. India's high population density has made it more prone to the COVID-19 virus sweeping across the globe. With 650 positive cases so far and 13 casualties, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered 1.3 billion people to stay home to keep India from sliding into a disaster that could dwarf what China, Italy, Spain and the United Nations have faced. But don't worry students, Aditya Tutorials has brought a solution to your problem. You can watch our live lectures on YouTube with the best teachers in Mumbai. We have Professor Bhushan Pandey with 30 years of experience in biology. We have Chinmay Shradhankar with 12 years of experience in social studies. We have Rishikesh Karpe again with 12 years of experience in Hindi and Marathi language. Our team is working from home to give you the best quality. It may become the best lecture of your life. Just try once, then believe. For watching us live, you need to subscribe our channel Aditya Tutorials to get notification whenever we come live.